was talking to this guy the other day, and he was talking to me about how he doesn't need Kangen water because he's taking these supplements, healthy supplements. That's good. But here's the thing. Your body cannot utilize the nutrients when it's too acidic, right? So no matter what he's taking, no matter how, no matter if you're on a raw diet, you're on a natural diet, you're taking all these supplements, your body still cannot utilize the nutrients when it's too acidic. You have to switch from acidity to the alkalinity, and the best way to do it would be with Kangen water.
Got our water purification system. We feel that we're drinking a lot cleaner, healthier water.
When I started drinking true water, I started noticing a little bit of difference in my hydration. I just felt more hydrated. And the other thing that was very noticeable is that I didn't feel bloated.
The big difference is that I noticed right away when I started drinking the water was number one, more energy.
It doesn't have any kind of funny taste or aftertaste. I didn't drink very much water because I didn't like the taste, and I always felt bloated after drinking water.
As a cyclist and a runner, proper hydration is very important to me. I love the increased energy I see by drinking ionized water. We also soak our fruits and vegetables in the strong water produced by the machine. It's amazing to see the pesticides and contamination it removes.
And when I saw the information that these demonstrations give, I would just suggest and recommend that anybody get that information because of how important hydration is to the body.
My skin started clearing up. I used to have acne on my face and on my back. And after drinking this water, I noticed that my skin started glowing.
I sat down and saw the demo for the first time. I was absolutely shocked to see what was in our water.
It's made me now want to drink more water.
One thing everybody tells you is that you should drink more water. And ever since we've had our water filter system, we do drink more water. And the one thing we notice is when we go out to restaurants or especially on vacations is that the water definitely tastes different.
Food tastes so much better, and I sleep well at night, knowing that my kids and pets are drinking the best water they can get.
I think it's important for people to understand the water they drink, what's in it and what's not in it. There is simple testing to determine how acidic the water is and how chlorinated it is. I definitely recommend everyone sees the demo with their own eyes.